Life isn't always fair, and things don't always go as we plan. You look around and nothing is really working out for you. You look in the mirror and you're not seeing the version you hoped for. No visible changes. All your efforts are futile. You work, and there's nothing to show for it. You know, I've stood at this starting line many times before, many different big ideas, and all the times I let the fog of overthinking win. I used to think failure was a sign to stop. I thought my dreams were vanishing because I wasn't good enough to reach the light. I always questioned myself, is it bad to dream big? To have this great vision and put all your efforts into it, sweat it through every single step of the way, and in the end, nothing, not even a single spark of hope. But the greatest achievement is that I'm just 1% further than I was yesterday. So if you're sitting there feeling like your dreams are slipping away because you're afraid to be seen starting small, I made this for you, just to tell you you're not alone in this. Let's take the next step together.